Welcome everyone in the new video. In this video, we will talk about the risk in the stock markets. Investing in stock is similar to that of driving a car. From the beginning, nobody is expert in driving. You need to learn driving. If you skip the learning portions and take steering on very first day, what will be the consequence? The accident is almost no, sorry, not this accident. The accident is almost certain. You can escape from accident, but in that case, you are just lucky. Similarly, without any knowledge, you are wanted to lose money in stock markets. You can earn on few occasions, but that's just because of your luck. To earn constantly, you must have in-depth knowledge to avoid any accidents. An experienced driver also need to drive carefully. Similarly, an experienced investor should also remain cautious about his investment decisions and emotions to avoid losses. Chances of accident can be minimized if you follow certain driving rules. Similarly, by following certain disciplines, you can minimize the chances of losing money in the stock market. Driving doesn't require any formal education degrees. It is not like that only mechanical engineers or those who have in-depth knowledge of motor mechanics can only learn driving. In respects of degree, anyone can learn driving. Similarly, an MBA in finance or similar degree cannot ensure success in equity investment. Rather, I think without an MBA one can become a better investor. In respect of education's background and specialization, anyone can learn the tactics of successful investing. It is simple but not easy. Simple in the sense that it doesn't require high intellectuals, not easy because it's required years of practice, disciplines, dedication, and willingness to learn. Avoiding equity investments means you are most likely unable to beat inflation. Banks and post office deposits offer negligible or flat returns, inflations and tax adjustment. Very few investment options like real estate and equities can offer above inflation returns. Over the last many decades across the world, among all assets classes, equities has outperformed all the others over long runs. Are you taking a bigger risk by avoiding equity investment? Thank you for today's video.